Hello class, this is lesson 2 and this is covering Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions are logical statements that is either true or false. Boolean expressions can compare data of any data type as long as both parts of the expression have the same basic data type. True equals 1, false equals 0. Python uses comparison operators. The first one we're going to discuss on the left is equal to, or equal to, which within Python is two equal signs back to back. And we say 2 is equal to 2. Python returns a true. Moving on to the next operator, not equal to. 3 is not equal to 5. That is true. 3 is not equal to 3. False. Now, it works the same way with strings. Here we set two variables, x and y, both to a string, str, all lower, and then y to capital S, T, capital R. And below it, we use the operator of equal to. So is str equal to capital S, lowercase t, capital R? And the answer is false. X is equal to y. X is not equal to y, which is true because they are indeed different. Which looks at the ASCII and Unicode values of each character. Moving right along, we also have less than. 3 is less than 5. True. 3 is less than 1. False. Greater than. 3 is greater than 5. False. 3 is greater than 1. True. We also have the comparison operators of less than or equal to. 3 is less than or equal to 5. True. 3 is less than or equal to 3. True. We can also throw another one in there of, 3 is less than or equal to 1, and that would be false. As we see with the next one, greater than. 3 is greater than or equal to 5. False. The next two comparisons are both true, because 3 is equal to 3, and 3 is greater than 2. And that completes this lesson of comparison operators.